experiment number 3. All right, this one you need an empty bottle.
Perfect, we have that.
Done. You need white vinegar, which your mom probably has underneath your kitchen sink. Ask her for it.
Yeah,
Don't go get it yourself.
stinks awful.
Yep. Baking soda. And I already have some poured in here. So what we're gonna do is, there's supposed to be a chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda when we put it in this bottle that's going to blow up this balloon.
Really?
I don't know if it's gonna work.
The balloon is the same color as your gloves. That's interesting.
Where's the glove? Where's the balloon?
You can't see it. Like,
Bam.
it's like sleight of hands. It's gone.
When really it's there the whole time.
Wow. Okay.
All right, so Braley, if
Yes.
you want to pour
That's my name.
vinegar
In the
into
bottle.
the empty bottle,
Right. If you have a funnel, this is where you want to use it.
We don't have a
We
funnel.
don't have a funnel, so
So don't spill it on yourself
Oh,
because
this
you're
is
gonna
kinda-
stink.
we'll, here we go, ready?
Yeah.
Oh gracious, I'm nervous.
Do you want me to do this
No,
part?
I'm good.
Oh, you got this.
How much do you think?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm
it
trying
smells
this out for the
awful.
first time right now. I would do more than that though, because it's kind of a big bottle.
Right. I don't want this to explode. What do you think about that?
I don't know.
I don't think you
I feel like we need more.
I think I got it on my hands. I'm not sure though. It smells terrible. Here we go. Oh.
It does stink.
Don't get crazy.
Stop right there.
I feel like,
Okay.
goodness, it smells awful.
So Braley, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to be ready with this balloon to put it over that, okay?
So I would say once you put in, why don't we put the powder in the balloon?
Oh, that ain't a half bad idea.
Then when you put the balloon on there, you just kind of shake it down.
Okay, let's try that. I'll hold the balloon open. I'm supposed to be teaching this. but
I just had an
Braley
idea.
is.
It was
Okay.
just an idea.
No, you're great. Okay.
Okay, ready?
You wanna pour it in there?
Yep. Since that'll be hard for you to do. Here we go, ready? Oh, maybe.
Again, this is baking soda, not baking powder.
You think that's good enough?
No. I say let's go extreme.
If this explodes,
It'll be so fun.
alright, that's gotta be enough.
You think that'll be?
I
Okay.
feel like it's
Do
got
you want to be the one to put it on the bottle, or do you want me to do it?
No, you're already in position.
Okay.
Let's just, I'll hold it, you put it on there. Here we go. Get it good, nice, secure. Oh yeah, great job. I feel like that's it.
Okay, let's see.
Does it feel it? Okay, you ready?
I'm so
Are you guys
nervous.
ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Stop!
Oh
Oh my gosh,
It's gonna explode.
it's amazing! It's not.
gonna
It's
explode.
not.
Whoa. That scared me. I was pretty sure it was going to explode.
That is incredible.
And you are braver than I am. You actually grabbed a hold of it. Wow. My heart literally just skipped several beats.
You need to check your heart rate on your watch.
I'm good. It's elevated. Woo!
Guys, that was so fun.
It worked.
Make sure that you're like,
Holding the balloon.
yeah.
Because man, baby was about fixing to go boom!
That was aggressive. And
It
the air's not going anywhere.
It really went fast.
That was amazing.
Okay.
All right, stay tuned for experiment number